Hey, this JD in the fight. Hey, I want to show you this move right here mainly. Alright, more intermediate, I guess, than beginner. Alright, I'll give you these chords first, and then if you don't have to walk down, I'll give that afterwards. Alright, but I'm going to jump straight to here. Alright, so we're in G flat, alright? And it's when we're coming out of the, all right. Sometimes we would like to walk down to the sharp 5 or sharp 4, which is C. All right, so let me give you that. E flat, left hand, right hand, E flat, both of them. Both hands playing D. Both hands on D flat. All right, and then when I get to D flat, that's when I'm gonna play the C with my left hand, but I'm not gonna play it with the right hand. So all together, and then by yourself on C. And then I'm gonna land the chord. So the chord, I'm playing C with my left hand, my thumb. I already got C down here. My right hand, I'm playing E, A flat, which is the sharp 5, or the augmented. B flat, which is the dominant 7, and D sharp or E flat, it's our sharp 9. All right. Now we're going to our 4. So when we do this move, we're going to our 4. That's our destination. All right. So once I come here to get to my 4, I can just do that right there. All right. So left hand, I got B, G flat, and B. Right hand, I'm playing B flat, D flat, E and E flat. See, I'm playing B flat, D flat, E flat, and G flat. And then I'm coming down and hitting the same notes down an octave below. Like that. And then I'm going to an E13, and I'm resolving it to B to an E9. So that chord, left hand, E and B. Right hand, D, G flat, A flat, D flat. And then I'm gonna bring the D flat to the B. And then that takes me to close out however you want to close it out. So we have all right, these chords, if you don't have them, E flat minor 9, left hand, E flat, right hand, D flat, F, G flat, B flat. Next chord, I'm playing a D augmented 7 sharp 9. The only thing I'm doing is bringing the D flat on my right hand, the D flat, and I bring it down to C, keeping everything else the same. Left hand, I'm playing the E flat down to D, just like that. So, all right. Then next chord, I'm gonna play a D flat minor 9 chord. It's our 5 chord, so we want 6, sharp 5, 5. Left hand, I got D flat, D flat. Right hand, I got B, E flat, E, and A flat. All right. Next, I can walk up to my G flat, or I can go straight to my G flat. If I go straight to it, let me do that first. You're gonna play G flat on your left hand. Right hand, the only thing I'm doing for the D flat minor 9 chord, I'm just gonna move the B down to the B flat. So just one movement. If you want to walk it up to the G flat, you can say, walk up E flat, E, F, and then G flat. All Alright, here's where the walk, that chord comes in at. Alright, and then close it out. All right, hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.